guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this sun-kissed makeup look. It's a combination of both glowy and tanned skin, and I love the way the makeup look turned out. It is perfect for the summer season. It's amazing for pool parties, for beaches, and basically when you go for a holiday destination. I think this look would look fantastic. Also, I've used very minimal products and I've used some unique makeup techniques to achieve this look. It's super easy, super quick, and even a beginner can do this look very easily. So without any further ado, let me quickly show you the tutorial of this makeup look. So firstly, I'm gonna prep my skin, and for that I'm gonna be using this newly launched Mamaearth Vitamin C Ultra Light Gel. This is an oil-free moisturizer, and the consistency of this is so lightweight. It's like a cream in water-like consistency. It has a non-sticky, non-greasy formulation, and it gets absorbed into your skin in absolutely no time. I've been binge using this for over 7 days now, and it keeps my skin hydrated for the entire day. That is how good it is. So this is perfect for the summertime and actually for all seasons, because no matter what season it is, no matter how hot it is in your city, your skin still is a little bit dry. Like if you do the scratch test on your skin, you'll see that your skin is a little bit dry, which is why an ultra light gel like this is gonna provide the perfect amount of hydration to your skin. It's gonna nourish your skin without leaving it feeling greasy or oily or sticky, and it's gonna help to balance the pH level of your skin. So it's an amazing oil-free moisturizer to try out, especially in the summer season. I absolutely love the consistency of this. It gets absorbed into your skin in absolutely no time, and it just disappears right into your skin. This moisturizer is just like a summer drink for your skin, and it actually helps in quenching the thirst of your skin. It makes my skin looking so plump and healthy without making it oily or greasy. And it's got the goodness of vitamin C, which provides an amazing radiance on your skin, and it helps to repair your skin. And it's got aloe vera water, which is so hydrating for your skin. Also, you can purchase this Mamaearth Ultra Light Gel from Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and from so many websites. And in case if you want a discount of 20%, then you can use my coupon code, that is RIA2021, on Mamaearth's website. You can also shop this from Mamaearth's app, which is available for both iOS and Android. The link is in the description box below. You'll be getting early access to sale on their apps, which means that you'll be saving on more money. Next up, moving on to base makeup. The only base makeup that I'm going to be using is a concealer. No foundation, nothing, because we're just going to cover up the dark circles and a few blemishes here and there, and we're just going to highlight the center of the face. I'm gonna set my under eyes and my lid in place using some powder. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of contour on my cheeks and my nose to give my face a little bit of more structure. So just by applying some concealer and a little bit of bronzer, my face looks so much more well structured, and it looks like I've applied a full face of base makeup products, whereas I've only used the concealer and a bronzer so far. So I'm gonna complete the base makeup first before I do my eye makeup, and for that I'm using this Biotic Sun-Kissed Tan Blush. I'm also going to apply a little bit of it on my nose to give that sun-kissed look. Just pop in a little bit of highlight on the high points of my face. For my eyebrows, I'm using a brown pencil today by Nykaa, and I'm just going to apply it on the bottom of my eyebrows. I'm just going to underline my eyebrows. and then brush all of the product into my brows using the spoolie. This is a great trick to make your eyebrows look natural, and it just takes like 2 minutes to literally do your brows this way. And one little thing that you want to remember while doing this trick is that use a more creamy eyebrow pencil, because that way distributing the product is a lot easier. I generally use a dark gray color because it just matches my hair so much better, but today we were doing a sun-kissed look, and I think a brown color like this just goes with the vibe. Finally, the part that you all have been waiting for. For my eyes, I'm going to be using this Nicka K Autumn Spice eyeshadow palette. Firstly, I'm going to pick up this color and apply it all over my lid very lightly. I'm also going to bring it down to my lower lash line. I'm going to use the yellow shade now to blend it. I'm going to pick up the brown color and apply it as an eyeliner. And then diffuse the edges. I'm going to take the same color to my bottom lash line as well. I'm going to use that shimmer color and apply it to the inner corners of my eyes and also on my brow bone. I feel like the entire look lacks a little bit of the suntan effect, so I'm going to go in with the sun-kissed blush again, and I'm going to apply it on my nose, right besides my nose, and also take it all the way up to my cheeks. Also applying a little bit of the blush on my chin to balance it out. I'm going to use some of my favorite K-Beauty mascara to finish off the eye makeup. For my lips, I'm going to use the shade Toasted Brown by Powder Matte's Maybelline, and this is one of my favorite brown nude colors. I'm just going to use the tiniest bit of highlighter on the centers of my lips. And that completes the suntan makeup look. I love how summery it looks. I love how confident it makes me look. I think this look turned out to be so beautiful, and it's so wearable at the same time. It's perfect for a formal occasion, it's perfect for the beach, it's perfect for a pool party, and it's just basically perfect for the summertime. I think I'm absolutely in love with this look. So let me know in the comments below how you like this look, and in case if you plan on recreating it, please tag me in your recreations on Instagram. Also, all of the products that I used in today's video, they are all easily available on Nykaa. The links to purchase all of the products are mentioned in the description box below. Apart from the Vitamin C Ultra Light Gel, Mamaearth also launched an Uptan Ultra Light Gel, which is equally good, so you can go for either the Uptan one or the Vitamin C one. And also Mamaearth has recently released a report card wherein they've shown that they've planted more than 1 lakh trees. They've recycled more than 1,135 metric tons of plastic. 1 metric ton is 1,000 kgs, and they've also distributed 50,000 sanitizers and 20,000 cloth masks to COVID heroes. That is how much they have done for the environment. So I highly urge you to support Mamaearth as a brand. Their skincare products and haircare products both are really good, and they work out so well for me and so many other people that I know. So that was my video for today, and that is my take on a suntanned makeup look. If you found this video helpful and if you enjoyed watching it, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram and let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like to see. If there's a particular product that you want me to review, or if it's a makeup look that you want me to do, just let me know in the comments below and I would love to make more videos for you all. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today. I shall see you in my next video.